dragonfly. Hey children, let's learn how to make a dragonfly. Trace and color the given picture of dragonfly. Follow the given instructions to make your dragonfly. A dragonfly has 6 legs like any other insects, but it cannot walk. Take an ice cream stick. Paste eyes and wings on it. Color it with watercolors beautifully and display. Wow, it is so beautiful!